the site itself, it's a Grade 2 style listed building, and we've got to refurb the building from starting with the outside, the envelope, the masonry works, repoint the stone, repair the stonework, take away the crystal windows, strip the lead paint off, bring them back refurbished and reglaze them. And then inside, structurally, we've taken out the old steel frame, brought in new steelwork through some of the windows, which are around 1200 to 600 mil wide. The steelwork itself is up to 2.5 tonne in weight, 14 metres in length. Some of those beams are spliced, but all that has been manually lifted up with a forklift and manually put in place with little cranes on scaffolding just to get it in to create the new teaching space for the university. The challenges relate to a listed building. The listing itself, going through conservation and getting their approval for everything we're doing. But with this building itself, it's the steelwork that's come into it. The new steelwork's all come through windows, there's no big openings to get it in, and that in itself is a logistical challenge. Open Doors allowed us to showcase this project to the public so we can show them the existing building, its historic importance to the university, and we can show them how we're bringing it back to life and creating a new lease of life for the building for the university to use. The building itself, we're insulating and improving the performance of it so it gets an EPC rating of B. We're also giving air tightness of 5. And getting that to Open Doors, it just shows them the vast nature of work we do. And Open Doors generally, they're trying to attract the youngsters into the industry is really important for us as a business and an industry ourselves. And Open Doors does that, and a project like this, it just shows them the variety of work we do. We're not just building steel frames and putting sheds up, we're trying to give something a new lease of life here, and they can see the difference in the variety of work we do. There's very few apprentices coming through. We've got subcontractors who are taking on apprenticeships, and Open Doors allows people to have a look at it and think, wow, I want to get involved with that, it's different. From Open Doors we've had good feedback, we've had quite a few bookings for today. We've got around 30 people come around today to have a look at it, and we've done a tour already, and the feedback's been really positive.
I think it's good because it's a perfect way to showcase our skills and talents. I mean, we're not just a general builder. A site like this demonstrates exactly what skills we do have. I mean, it's a Grade 2 listed building for a start, and working with conservation, the difficulties there, making sure everything is exactly how it should be. On such a complex build and such an old build is just a brilliant way for us to sort of really demonstrate to the public exactly what we can do as a company. I think opening the doors for the general public, for the university staff and anyone who wants to come in and actually see the site and see what it is that we're doing, it's a perfect gateway. It's an opportunity for us to demonstrate exactly what's going on, what was before, what's happening and what's going to become of the project itself. Especially in a situation like this where it's an internal refurb, all people get to see is the outside, the external facade and what's going on there. This, they can see the nitty-gritty, the floors going in, and even the rendered images which we've got dotted around. It's the way that we like to deliver a project, make sure people understand what it is they're getting. And it's an opportunity for them to ask questions as well, which is brilliant for us because we get to, again, deliver the information and people can understand a bit more and feel more part of what we're actually trying to deliver together. I'd most definitely do Open Doors again. I mean, as I've said before, it's providing an opportunity for people to come in, but also giving Interserve the opportunity to showcase ourselves. I mean, we're a wealth of talent, skills and expertise, and rarely do we ever get to show that off to the general public, and I think it's a brilliant opportunity, and I say a gateway for us to promote ourselves and the industry as a whole.